Animal Magic by Mick Gower. Character illustrations by John Stewart. Camouflage. In this book, you will find some amazing animals. They can vanish. How do they do that? They use camouflage. That means their colour or shape can make it very hard to see them. In the trees. Can you find the animal in this picture? Can you see its legs? It is a stick insect. It looks like a stick, but it is really an insect. Stick insects hide to keep safe from animals who want to eat them. There it is! Underwater. Can you find the animal in this picture? Can you see its fins? It is a leafy sea dragon. It looks like a piece of seaweed, but it is really a fish. Leafy sea dragons hide to keep safe from bigger fish who want to eat them. There are its fins. On the ground. Can you find the animal in this picture? Can you see its head? It is a frog. Frogs are very good at hiding. This frog is speckled to look like wet rocks. Frogs have to hide from birds, fish, lizards, and other animals who all like to eat them. Frogs must be very tasty. Great camouflage! Look out! Can you find the animal in this picture? Can you see its legs? It is a bark spider. This spider can change colour to match what it is standing on. Spiders are hunters that eat insects. Hiding like this helps them catch their prey. Yikes! It's got 8 eyes! Changing colour. Look at the animal in this picture. Do you know what it is? It is a chameleon. Say, come-e-le-un. Chameleons are a type of lizard. Chameleons are amazing. They can change colour. This helps them hide. That's animal magic! Keeping babies safe. Chick, deer, polar bear. Why do you think baby animals need to hide? Baby animals need to hide to stay safe. They use camouflage to help them. Quiz. Can you find the hidden animals? What are they?